I am J. Velumani, belonging to Power Engineering College in the district of Namakkal, and I have started my NPTEL courses from 2022 onwards. Last time I got NPTEL Star Believer Award, and this time also consecutively I got Star Believer Award. I have done around 7 courses last semester, and this semester also I have done around 10 courses, out of which 6 was successful. And I am very happy to visit IITM Madras because it's a very big campus and we have so many facilities, and it's a very big task that everybody has being united to make this event a successful one. All student volunteers are doing a lot of tasks, and we are coming from various places, and it is adding some credit to my institution, as well as next time I will be doing discipline star and higher domain levels. And we have done so many courses in artificial intelligence, Python for data science, large language models, reinforcement learning, deep learning, and quantum computing basics, and so many other courses which are in the upcoming semesters. This time also I have registered 12 courses. Surely I will become a domain star, I suppose. Thank you for this opportunity, students. Surely I am helping my students with these basic questions, higher order thinking skill questions, and it is useful for my assessment, and I am able to do some project related ideas for the students, and the courses are offered by eminent professors from various levels. And one more obligation is, and from other colleges we are coming and doing this course. We are also in need of doing some NPTEL course facilitation in the next semester. If it is available, it will be very helpful for us. Even we would like to do some course facilitation to the students. Thank you for the opportunity.
Hello everyone, my name is Hema H, Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, NIE Mysore. I have done civil engineering courses initially, then later after seeing the inspirations that we will be going to get, I have shifted my area of interest from core civil engineering practice to the management, so that it has helped me to have more amount of administrative skills and leadership skills it has now. I have completed few courses with respect to the leadership domain, that is the human resource management discipline. Probably next semester I will be able to complete it. And since I am a MOOC coordinator from our college, I have been inspiring the students also to take the NPTEL courses, and I am guiding through them. Consecutively, I have got from past 3 years I have got top performing mentors also. In this regard, I would like to thank AICTE, NPTEL and the Ministry of Higher Education Department for giving this wonderful opportunities for the students and for the faculty and other learning fraternity to this rich experience, especially coming to the premier institutions like IITs, NITs will be dream for someone, but learning through this online mode will definitely give or fulfill their aspirations of learning, having the badge of IITs and NITs. I would like to thank once again MHRD and NPTEL for this great initiative. Thank you so much.
Hello, hi, I am Partha Sarathi, studying BTech IT Information Technology in Nehru Institute of Engineering and Technology. I am excited to come here for the Discipline Star Civil Station, and my native is Tirupattur. My favorite course in NPTEL is in IoT. In that I learn a lot of sensor and node things like that. I am not focusing on any achievement, anything, but I am repeatedly doing these courses for my career growth. It is also help me to grow myself and a lot of things. Thank you. Traditional college courses are fixed. We need to go the time for the classes. In NPTEL way, we can learn anytime, anywhere. That's why we different from the traditional. Thank you.
So myself is Dr. D. Srinivas. I'm a faculty and professor in business management. I just now completed this domain star certification from NPTEL. Really, it is very good course for young learners. All the faculty members are from IIT professors. They are very good in good environment is provided by them. So it will be very useful for each and everybody. Those who are those who really want to learn real-time experience, especially from different domains. Thank you.
My name is Himaja. I'm from Guntur. I have been working as assistant professor in RVR and JC College of Engineering. So this NPTEL course helped me to brush up my skills in CSE domain. Actually, I have received NPTEL Superstar during this semester. So the main advantage of doing these courses is we can learn at our convenient time instead of time-bound things. So and I thank NPTEL for providing me an opportunity to visit this IIT Madras campus. Thank you. Yes, these courses are helping me in my career, and these are helping me to motivate my students who are performing their projects in AI domain and ML domain. So thank you.
I am Muthupriya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Arunachala College of Engineering for Women, Kanyakumari District, Tamil Nadu. I started my NPTEL journey in 2024. Now I have completed 5 courses and I am doing now 6th course. By completing 60 weeks course, I have got the NPTEL Discipline Star Award. So I am proud to be here. I thank the NPTEL for giving such an opportunity. And regarding the courses, the content delivered by the courses are very well structured, and the professors' lectures are very awesome, and it is easy to understand. And the assessment, the weekly assignment given by the courses is help us to prepare for the final examination, and also it helps a lot for the students, those who prepare for the competitive exam also. So, and also I am grateful. I would like to say the gratitude to my management and principal of Arunachala College of Engineering for constant support and motivation. Thank you.